So before I try this for the first time, I first want to show you what my skin is looking like so that we can see if there's gonna be any improvement throughout the week. I don't know if you can tell because I have all my serums and skincare on, but it definitely is very dry. You know, like if I try to move my face, it's just like, you know, it's like tight and it's feeling cracking, especially since it's winter in the UK and it gets crazy over here. Oh, okay, it literally has the same consistency as the First Aid Beauty cleanser. It also is literally just as shiny and pearly as the cleanser, okay? On the skin, it's feeling super lightweight. I was not expecting this. I was expecting it to feel a lot more like heavier. And it has kind of like a lemony smell. Ooh, is this gonna give me a white cast? Girl, no, I ain't trying to get no white cast over here. I'm already white enough.
Do you think you're darker than what you are?
I don't think I'm a black person. No, I know I'm a white person.
Oh my god, guys, no, I'm not kidding. This is feeling so soothing on my skin already, and it literally just applied. I'm in love. Okay, I am seeing a little bit of white cast. What do you guys think?
No.
Want to read the claims that First Aid Beauty is saying so to better understand what we're supposed to be expecting from this cream. So it says, apply is needed from head to toe throughout the day. Intense hydration from dry, parched skin. Safe for sensitive skin. Okay, very straightforward in a few words, First Aid Beauty. So it's day 2. I want to read the ingredient list with you guys so we can better understand together if this is actually going to be good or if there's anything that could be bad for our skin. Of course, I'm not going to read the full ingredient list because ain't nobody got time, but I'm definitely going to tell you the main most important things. So the first ingredient is going to be glycerin, a humectant, moisturizing. Literally is contained in every single skincare product because it is so amazing and also cheap to formulate, so that's good. There's also glycerin stearates, so derivatives of glycerin. There's cetyl alcohol, a fatty alcohol, also moisturizing. Shea butter, another very moisturizing ingredient. So definitely we can see that this is going to be very nourishing and just full of humectant, something that is really going to repair our skin barrier. There's also going to be dimethicone in it. Now, dimethicone for some people, for the clean beauty freaks with their vegan panties, they're going to be shaking because they really just think that it's supposed to be comedogenic and it's going to break you out and it's bad for the environment and bad for your skin. Most of the time, dimethicone, even for acne prone skin, it's not going to cause any breakouts or clogged pores. Speaking as an acne prone skin, I can testify. Really, dimethicone or silicone is good not only for smoothing the skin, so like the appearance of fine lines, but also it's going to prevent transepidermal water loss on your skin, which is definitely very important for people with dry skin because it's really going to trap the moisture onto your skin. Oh my god, First Aid Beauty, yes! You guys, and this is going to be squalene. You know that I love squalene. It is an amazing antioxidant. It's super soothing to the skin, but it also gives us antioxidant benefits, so basically protect our collagen from free radicals and essentially damage, so aging. If you have seen my review of The Ordinary's squalene cleanser, I didn't like that because in cleansers, antioxidants are useless. But in something like a moisturizer, mwah. Then there's gonna be green tea or Camellia sinensis leaf extract. Green tea is amazing. It has amazing anti-inflammatory purposes. It's really gonna soothe the skin, the redness and the inflammation caused by acne, rosacea, as well as it has antioxidant benefits because of epigallocatechin gallate or EGCG, which is an antioxidant in green tea, one of the most powerful along with vitamin C. Then there's gonna be ceramides. So just like CeraVe, ceramides, one of the biggest building blocks in our skin. They really are responsible for keeping our moisture barrier and skin barrier intact. So basically that is gonna also prevent transepidermal water loss. So it's really good to have skincare products that contain ceramides so to replenish them. And lastly, there's gonna be feverfew extract, an amazing ingredient for soothing the irritation and inflammation in the skin caused by rosacea, in this case acne. So truly, First Aid Beauty, I see you, you see me, we see each other. I know. Don't you think that I don't know? Because I do know.
I see you. We good. Okay. We good. I see. We see each other. We see each other.
How much time we spend in this ingredient list, and it shows, honey. This essay is amazing. This essay has a strong introduction, has a strong body, and a strong conclusion. It is A1, period. Guys, it's day 5. I have no words to describe this. My skin, I'm just in love with her. I was not expecting this from this cream, but anyways, I have my final thoughts and results with this, and ultimately, I'm gonna tell you if it's worth spending your money on this or not. So keep watching. Hi, Queen. Welcome to the channel. I know this is your first time here. I want to give you a very warm welcome. You're very much appreciated here, First Aid Beauty. I love you already. Oh my god. First of all, I just want to give you a little comment on the name because you see, you really had the audacity to name yourself First Aid Beauty. That comes with a lot of expectations. Like you're supposed to be, you know, like the Red Cross, the first responders when there's a natural disaster or a tragedy in general, whether it be a hurricane or, you know, a breakout of pimples or anything of that sort skin related, you come first responders, and I admire you for that. I praise you because I can never do that. I'm more like a fifth responder, you know, like when everything cleaned up and the press is there, because I'm more kind of like a showgirl, okay? I like to be front and center in the cameras, pretending like I'm actually helping, and in reality, I'm just here for the press. So you, First Day Beauty, we admire you for your bravery. Having said that, let's talk about this moisturizer, because let me tell you, it is literally one of my all-time favorites. Like, literally just skyrocketed to the top of the charts, like as if it was an Ariana Grande song. This is the Ariana Grande of the moisturizers, okay? She is very high-pitched with her ingredient list. She is tiny, and she's also beautiful.
Who's beautiful? Did I meet her? Is she beautiful? Does she live up to the name?
Starting with the ingredient list, this is giving me very much CeraVe hydrating lotion vibes, but on steroids. Like, this is just so much better, and this is why it's also more expensive than the CeraVe lotion. It does have the ceramides, it does have the hydrating fatty alcohols, it does have the hyaluronic acid. This one also has feverfew extract, which is super soothing for the skin, one of my favorites. It also has antioxidants, which are definitely very nice to have in a moisturizer, which the CeraVe one doesn't, like green tea. It also has squalene, which you know already, I told you I love squalene in my moisturizer specifically. So not necessarily in the First Day Beauty cleanser, which I mean, there's another video for that, but all the claims that First Day Beauty made on this bottle are true, okay? This is not a Santa wish list. This is a checklist for the grocery store, which means you are gonna get what you are gonna write on the list. It's not one of those scams where you write, I don't know, like I want a new Barbie, and then you never get the Barbie because your parents didn't think you were gay. I'm sorry, bringing up memories of my childhood, but anyways, as I was saying, truly it intensely hydrates. It is perfect for dry, patchy skin. This is very thick, more thicker than the CeraVe lotion, so this hydrates amazingly. It's better for oily skin, but also for dry skin types, it can be suited for them. If you think that this is good, you have to try this. This is 10 times better than the CeraVe. It is also, yes, great for the sensitive skin types, especially with the green tea and with the feverfew extract and the allotonin. As I already said, this is definitely like a thick consistency. It is nothing like a lotion. It is more like definitely to the cream side. It is a little bit mattifying, if I have to say, just the tiniest amount. It doesn't give you a shiny glossy look like the CeraVe one does. Another thing that I like about this moisturizer is, oh, again, comparing it to the CeraVe, she is truly the standard, okay? If we are going, once again, analogies of the music industry, CeraVe is the Beyonce. She is the Mariah Carey of the music industry. She has been here for decades, and she is never going anywhere. But you know, Ariana Grande, she also has a lot of talent compared to Mariah Carey. They arguably are mother and daughter, you know? So having said that, what I love about the CeraVe moisturizer is the simplicity of this, because this ingredient list is just so simple, no active ingredients in them at all. And this means that it really gives you the freedom to incorporate it with any serum that you might want, because if you are getting a moisturizer that has active ingredients already in them, like salicylic acid or vitamin C, or it has retinol in it, you really are a little bit stuck with the options of what you can incorporate it with them. Not necessarily because you can't mix active ingredients, that is just like a myth, but more so because your skin can't handle much at all. Like, I would say the maximum is 2 to 3 active ingredients at one on your skin. With me, I personally don't want a moisturizer that has actives and then be restricted with anything. One day I want to apply one active, one day another one, mix it with this and this and this. I'm like a witch brewing potions, okay?
What do I need? Oh! Look at this! Look! Oh! Whoosh!
So I tend to gravitate to really basic moisturizers. This is a basic moisturizer. This is also a basic moisturizer. Like, there is no active ingredients that are really schmancy, but it is just a little bit, once again, in a higher range than the CeraVe. She is shopping drugstore at H&M. She is still drugstore-ish, but she's more like Urban Outfitters. So having said all this, this is great for all skin types, even though it says intense hydration for dry, patchy skin and sensitive skin types. I would say this is also great for acne prone and oily skin type. This won't break you out. It won't give you more oiliness at all. I have oily skin and really I just love thick moisturizers. Moisturizers really are not going to increase the sebum levels in your skin. That is simply not how it works. Moisturizers are not oils. Sebum is an oil. Moisturizers give you hydration. Greasiness and moisturization are two completely different things. Great for all skin types, great for everyday use, great for both morning and night. Maybe it is a little bit too thick in the summer, but in the winter, she is definitely like one of those heavy coats that you take out just in the winter time, like the fur coats. If she was the same price as the CeraVe one, I would pick this over the CeraVe any day. It's a little more expensive, so I like to spare it up a little because I'm still a drugstore queen. I don't have an affiliate link on Amazon for you guys this time because there's not on Amazon. If not, I would have bought it from there. But so I actually think I bought this from Look Fantastic or Feel Unique or Beauty Bay, one of these. But basically for 56 grams or 2 ounces, this is gonna run you 11 pounds, 15 pounds, depending on the time. It's definitely more expensive because this, the 1 liter bottle, cost me 24 pounds, but it's 1 liter and this is 50 grams. So yeah, but it's worth it. Anyways, man, this was the first video that you saw my mom and maybe interest you into joining the family. All you have to do is literally subscribe to the bell icon, also to miss any of my uploads. Just let me tell you, we're all about fighting acne, wrinkles, fine lines, and we love moisturizers here. So if you love moisturizers as well, you need to join the family because like we just have to relate and we're all like-minded people. So mwah, join me. We'd love to have you here. You can also follow me on my Instagram and on my TikTok, both of them around, and there's a lot more skincare you will not see here that you are going to see there. So you definitely go need to follow me. And also we can just deepen the bond that I feel between us two, and you want to see me 24/7. I know that's your dream already. But anyways, to random who are still watching, you know what time of the video is now. It's time for the time word of the video. And since the video was all about this ultra repair cream by First Aid Beauty, the Italian word of the video is gonna be ER, which is emergency room, and it's gonna be pronto soccorso in Italian. I hope that you never have to use this word if you ever decide to travel in Italy, but just in case, I got you covered. It's like one of those words that you never really want to learn, but you just forced to just in case you have to use them. Like, for example, thank you, or like, okay, I'm gonna take the check this time for dinner, or like, all right, let's pay taxes. It's one of those words that you never want to use, but unfortunately you might have to.
I wasn't going to throw up, but you know, I was choked up. I don't apologize because I never make, you know, mistakes.
Excuse me, ma'am, what do you think you're doing? You're not gonna get on this video. What you need to do is click whenever these two videos are here. They're just gonna be as informative, informational, whatever this video is to you, but while doing that, remember to be random and always be random. And I swear you need to be clicking one of these two, or at your funeral, I'm gonna be coming as the 5th responder with the cameras and the camera crew and just reporting live from your funeral. Hi. So if you don't wanna die now, and me coming as a reporter, click now.